Jangan pernah bilang I don't speak English atau I don't speak English very well. Kenapa? Karena itu bukan menunjukkan suatu kerendahan hati, akan tetapi bisa membuat orang lain ragu sama kemampuan kita. Sebaiknya bilang I am trying my best to improve my English skill. Simple, positif, dan powerful. Setiap kali lu ngomong begitu, lu menunjukin semangat untuk belajar, bukan suatu untuk kekurangan. Ingat, English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident and consistent. So, next time, if someone asks, do you speak English? And then you answer with smile and say, I'm trying my best to improve my English. Thank you.